In this efficiency problem, we're given that an engineer claims to have built an engine that takes in 75 kilojoules and expels 35 kilojoules. It asks in the first part how much work can be done by the engine. Second part, what is the efficiency of the engine? Third part, is this efficiency possible? And the last part, compare the calculated efficiency for the proposed engine with the table below. Is this value for the proposed engine efficiency probable? And then give an explanation. The first we want to write down our givens, and we are given that the heat added, how much it takes in, is 75 kilojoules. Then we're given it expels or removes 35 kilojoules of heat. And we're asked to find how much work is done for the first part. Second part, we're asked to find what is the efficiency. So for the first part, we know that since it's a machine, it is a cyclic process, and therefore the change in internal energy is zero. And so we go to our first law of thermodynamics, which says that the total heat transfer, QH minus QC, is equal to the work plus the change in internal energy. Change in internal energy is zero, so we get that 75 kilojoules minus 35 kilojoules is equal to the work done. So the work is 40 kilojoules. The second part asks for the efficiency, and the efficiency is the work divided by the heat added. Now, as long as we're in the same units, we're okay with any units in this equation. And we are giving kilojoules for work and kilojoules for heat added, so we're okay. And we get the efficiency is 0.533. Now, a lot of people like to turn that into percents, so we multiply by 100 and we get 53.3%. For the third part, part C, it asks, is this possible? As long as the efficiency is under 100%, it is possible. The second law says that the work can never be as much as the heat added if it's a machine, and therefore, as long as it's less than 100%, it is possible. So yes, it is possible. However, in the last part it asks, is it probable? So if we go back to our chart, and it all depends, is this a calculated maximum efficiency, or is this an actual measured efficiency? If this is a calculated maximum efficiency, then yes, it is possible, it's probable. It could be either a gasoline or a diesel engine, probably not a steam engine, because calculated efficiencies of steam engines usually aren't that high. However, if it's a measured efficiency, if it's what the engineer has actually measured how much, those values are less, because the maximum disregards friction. So even without friction, there's an upper limit. Now with friction, it's going to be even below that. So our measured values, it would be 53.3%. That's pretty much of a leap from a diesel engine even. And so it's probably not likely that his claims are true if it is a measured efficiency, but if it's a calculated efficiency, then yes, it is. So it all depends on what he is claiming, whether it's calculated or measured.